What's up, everybody? How's it going? Yes, today is Friday. It's 11:20 in the afternoon, and it is a steamy 84 degrees, everybody. Well, you can tell I'm on a boat. I'm on what's called a row-row. It's a roll-on, roll-off. We've got cars, scooters. We also got passenger section up there, too. And we're on our way to Camotes Island. Yes, back to Camotes. Love it out there. Shout out to DJ Resort. Staying with these guys again. Just, you guys will see it. Really, just a really great place. I'll put in a map up here too, as far as how to get here. From Cebu, you basically ride up the coast, about an hour, hour and a half to Danao City, and then you go out to the pier here, and then you get yourself a ferry. So if you do have a motorbike, scooter, or a car, whatever, you can use this ferry system, as well as if you're just a passenger. So, but there's probably, if you're not bringing on equipment, there probably are better options right out of Cebu to get to Camotes Island. So you could probably take a cab to like one of the piers there, and then take like a fast craft straight over to Camotes. But with us, with a motorbike, we need to get one of these roll-on, roll-off boats. So anyways, we are on our way. Joe's right around the corner, and so she's here. What a ride up, but we'll shoot you here in a second. But yeah, you can see here, this is the way they get goods throughout to these different islands too, is using these ferries. So really convenient. Joe's right up here. There she is. What's up, Joe? How's it going, girl?
I'm good.
How's that ride? Pretty rough, right?
Pretty rough, but thankfully it's just an hour.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Not
I
too bad.
survived.
Right.
With the heat also, it's raining.
Ooh, it's a little bit in it today. All right, guys. So we're on the ferry. We'll do some work for the ferry. We got about an hour or so ride, but we'll get moving, get some air going, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. We're on the boat here. I think we're about halfway. I thought I'd go upstairs real quick and show you guys the rest of the boat. Maybe we'll cruise up. Okay. Wow, the water looks really great. Well, hopefully you can see it up here. Yeah, a little quieter down here, away from the crowds. Really good view too. Wow, so. Ooh, it's in it up here. Yeah, not much up here. Yeah, real small boat, actually, not much up here. Definitely a lot cooler down here, but a little louder. It's a small boat. All right, guys, here we are. It's the next day, got off the boat. We're here at DJ's Resort.
Yeah.
DJ's Beach Resort?
Yes.
Beach Resort. But DJ's Resort here. Love this place. I stayed here right before actually meeting Joe. I stayed here a couple months ago and stayed at the other unit. But yeah, we thought we'd give you a quick tour. Sorry about our mess. We got a lot of stuff kind of everywhere. We've been here now a couple days, so another day and a half.
This is my first time here.
Yeah.
And so far I love it.
Yeah.
I love the place.
Really cool, right?
Yes.
Beautiful little place. Yeah, nice resort.
I love the little pathway going to your rooms. It's like very island vibes. So really nice.
Yeah, we'll show you guys around here in just a second, but thought we'd just shoot the room really quick and also show you the restroom. Yeah, the bathroom is really pretty incredible. Yeah, let's take a look. Go ahead, Joe.
Yeah, this part, the bathroom is my favorite. So it's really nice. I love it.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Check this bathroom out.
Yeah,
You shower right here.
Yeah, the natural light, the
Yeah.
sunlight.
Right.
The nipa hut, the nipa. Yeah. And you know, the plants inside the toilet is very refreshing.
Half of it's outdoor, right? So you got your roof here, and then this is all open and exposed. Really, really unique bathroom. Dig it. All right, let's go. Let's do a quick tour outside here. So he's got, I think he's got maybe 4 units total. I'm not sure exactly how many he's got, but he's got several units here. They go, I think it's right around 2,000 pesos a night. I'll convert that out. And you can reach him, I think you could reach him both on, I think he's listed on Airbnb and also on bookings, but I'll leave his direct contact information too if you want to reach out to David. David and Joby, it's their place here. It's just, you know, this is the second time I've been here, so really I'm a big fan of his resort here. And he gets you, you know, just a great breakfast. And they have also too kind of a all-day breakfast meal or menu, and they'll serve, I think, up until noon. So yeah, not quite all day, but yeah, they have a breakfast menu that they serve up until noon, which is really convenient as this is a pretty primitive island. There's not a lot here. There's some Carandirans and some cities. We're going to shoot a lot, but we'll shoot the other city areas. But even then, you know, your options are kind of few, which is, love it. It's one of the reasons why I love this island.
Yeah.
And another reason why is straight ahead. Guys, look at that.
Paradise.
Just amazing.
It's
Just
so
incredible.
quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this view. You know? And you got your hammock right over here.
Yeah, they got hammock all over this place.
You know, you can just chill and listen. So Joe and I were out here earlier. As a matter of fact, this is where we just came from. We were down here swimming. Look at this water.
It's so blue.
Yeah.
So serene, so peaceful.
Yeah, we were just out here swimming. Went out to that little sandbar right there. Just gorgeous. And look, there's like nobody here. And this is a Sunday.
Yeah, I like the water.
Yeah.
Feels so good on your
Right?
feet.
Yeah. It's just gorgeous. Yep. Yeah, and this is what happens really, you know, these are a lot of the islands that are here. They're just really primitive. You know, you've got your major touristy spots like Boracay, but a lot of islands are just like this.
Reminds me of Bantayan, but a little more quiet.
Yeah.
More space.
Yep, I agree. And the nice thing I like about this island versus Bantayan is it's a little more, it's mountainous. So you have, you know, for a motorcyclist or even a cyclist, you would have, you know, some hills and stuff to ride here.
Yeah, they have hills and overtop view where you can see the lake,
yes,
the ocean.
We're going to shoot that later on. Joe and I scouted out really some great areas to shoot. So we're gonna show you that area in a little bit.
Yeah, they also have bike trails. So if you like to, you know, it's really,
There's some tennis areas too, we just found out. So if you're into tennis, cycling, motorcycling, of course, anything water, the Camotes Island is really well known for its free diving. There's a pretty amazing free diving spot here.
Yeah, there is.
Where they just had a competition. So yeah.
Yeah, they had competition recently.
Right.
And also you can run along the road.
Yeah,
you
we're going to do some running.
You won't have to worry about the motorcycles
right.
and all that stuff.
Right, yeah, there's not a lot of traffic here.
Yeah, not a lot.
All right, guys, we're going to be back here. We're going to tour up. We're going to go check out another beach area. So, but I think this will do it for this video. Really just wanted to show you that we're here, we're at the property, and kind of give you a quick tour. We'll do more on the property up here. He's got a whole kitchen area up there where they serve their meals and the breakfast. So, but yeah, I think we're going to go out and venture and do some beach stuff today. So,
yay.
Back later. Thanks for coming along. Appreciate it, guys. See you in a little bit. Turn off your mic.